bet. We're back out here in the forest. We're trying to fill that woodshed. And we're a little late this year, as you know. But either way, today's the first day of trying out my brand new chains for the rear tires. I'm going to try to make it through today without ever using four-wheel drive, just to try to get a feel for whether the four-wheel drive in the mud is better than the rear wheel with these big V-hook chains. They're doing a good job, I'll tell you. But our friend Roger on Tractor Tech was right. If you're on pavement or on the driveway, the gravel driveway, it's a bumpy ride. As soon as you get in the forest or on soft ground, just the same as always. Let's see how she performs today. Cheers.
Hey there, GP. Husky. Hey there, Husky.
And those little white flakes you're seeing? Yep, she's snowing. Alright, you might remember from the other day, we got most of the logs off of this slope, but the base of that big ash, those two big timbers, are still sitting up high. All I want to do right now is try to drag them down enough that they'll roll down into the pile by the splitter. Let's see if we can get her down. you can see, we've got a bunch of trees we felled down across this gentle slope here. Not going to make sense to try to pull them down into the clearing, so what I'm going to try to do is skid them up that slope up onto the flat area where we can block them and split them. So a quick update on the chains. They're working out pretty good in the mud here. I'm not really sure yet whether four-wheel drive and no chains anywhere, or two-wheel drive and these big old chains on the rear are any better, or if one is better than the other. I was out in the rain for several days this past week and it was muddy as can be. I had no chains on and I was able to get through the mud as deep as it was. I was able to grapple, do everything I needed to do, and I never got stuck once. And I'll tell you, that skidding winch had a hard time digging into the mud. You probably might have seen the tractor went back about 6 feet, but I got her locked into a rock. As we continue through the winter, I'll keep giving you updates from time to time on how well these chains are performing. Well, I hope you enjoyed it today. We've had snow this morning a few times and apparently rain's on its way. Well, we've got a few things done before it starts to fall and we got to keep working on that shed. If you like the channel, please click subscribe, hit the like button, and if you want to know when I post the videos, just click that little bell. Have a wonderful week with your families. I'll see you again on the next one. Cheers.